The photography world is about to witness something that was never supposed to exist. For decades, Canon has avoided the number 4 like a plague. It's a superstition that has shaped their entire product roadmap, until now. In the hidden corridors of Canon's research and development centers in Tokyo, the silence has been broken. The beast has a name, and it's a name that is currently sending shockwaves through the headquarters of Sony and Nikon. We are talking about the Canon EOS R4. This isn't just another camera release. This is a declaration of war. If you've been sitting on the fence, wondering if you should upgrade your R5, your R3, or if you should finally jump ship from Sony, you need to listen very carefully to every word of this. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Because the Canon EOS R4 isn't just an upgrade, it's a total market disruption that breaks the laws of physics, resolution, and speed. We have gathered every verified leak, every supply chain whisper, and every patent filing to bring you the truth about the 2026 flagship that is changing everything. Let's start with the heart of the machine, the sensor. For years, we've been told we have to choose. You either choose speed with a lower resolution stack sensor, or you choose resolution with a slower, high megapixel back-illuminated sensor. Canon just said, why not both? The EOS R4 is rumored to feature a groundbreaking 80 megapixel stacked BSI CMOS sensor. Let that sink in for a second. 80 megapixels. Stacked. This is a sensor architecture that allows for data readout speeds that were previously thought to be impossible at this resolution. We are talking about a camera that captures the detail of a medium-format studio camera but moves with the speed of a specialized sports body. But here is the hook that no one saw coming. The 240 megapixel in-camera upscaling. By utilizing a new pixel shift mechanism combined with the sheer power of the Digic Accelerator processing unit, the R4 can generate files that are so large, so detailed, that you could print a billboard and still see the texture of a subject's skin from inches away. It's not just a camera, it's a microscope for the real world. Now, I want you to imagine you are at a high-stakes sporting event. The Super Bowl, the Olympics, the World Series. Usually, even the best autofocus systems are reactive. They see the subject, they lock on, and they follow. But the EOS R4 introduces Action Priority AI 2.0. This is a predictive modeling system that doesn't just follow the ball, it understands the game. It knows the difference between a quarterback's fake-out and a real throw. It anticipates where the action is going to be before it even happens. It's like having a professional sports editor living inside your viewfinder, making sure you never miss the decisive moment again. But let's talk about the video, because this is where the R4 becomes a nightmare for the cinema industry. We all remember the overheating controversies of the past. Canon learned their lesson, and they've implemented a solution that sounds like science fiction, a graphene cooling system. Graphene is one of the most thermally conductive materials on Earth. By integrating it directly into the chassis, the R4 can record internal 8K 60p RAW video indefinitely. No fans. No noise. No overheating icons appearing on your screen in the middle of a shoot. You are holding a cinema-grade camera that fits in the palm of your hand. For the filmmakers in the US audience,